If you have Japanese beetles, you probably don't like them. I don't either. This is my American burnet, and I want to show you the Japanese beetles and the American burnet appear to have a pretty good relationship. The whole time that the burnet is flowering, which is most of the late summer it's flowering, the Japanese beetles appear to feed on it preferentially. They stop bothering my other plants, and the burnet doesn't seem to mind. And it's like twice as big this year as it was last year. And it was covered in beetles last year, too. Kind of a fun, natural pairing. They seem to be friends.